will receive is an email from us for your new designs, and what you will see is this message that you will have to read through, and then this review now button, which you will click on, and it takes you to the website Ashore, and this is where you can see the actual proofs of your designs. So what you will see is this next and previous button. You can go ahead and look through all of the slides of the projects that we have made for you, and if there's anything that you want to say, any comments, you can go ahead and click on a specific item. So if this word responsible was spelled incorrectly, or something was wrong with the color, or whatever it is, always click on it, and then this will pop up where you can say incorrect spelling, for example. And then you can post that comment, and this comment will be visible to us. And you can do that multiple times. Like if something was wrong with the husky, you could also do the same thing. Or if anything was wrong on any slide, you could do multiple comments. And then once you're all done reviewing everything, you can go ahead and approve it or request revision. And if you request a revision, then you'll have to say any feedback about why you didn't approve it, and then submit not approved. And if you approve it, then it'll just go ahead to us and say that you approved it and everything is fine and that you want to move forward. Also, if you had multiple revisions, then you can go up here and it'll show all the different revisions. This is just revision 1, but if you requested a revision, then it'll show up here all the different ones that we've made for you.